Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a modern 3-unit townhome development for sale located here in Quezon City. What's great about this property is its accessibility. This is just 10 to 15 minutes away from Quezon City Circle. It also has fast access towards Cubao and Katipunan, and you also have fast access towards EDSA. So this is a great property if you're looking for a home that you can move around the metro very quickly. Okay, let's go. So the first thing that you notice here is the carport area for 3 vehicles. You have access towards the side of the house here. In addition, in terms of the size of the property, each unit has a total floor area of about 340 square meters and a lot area of 133 square meters each. So it's quite spacious. And you also have a high ceiling for your parking area. Let's go. Now we're here at the main door, which has an automated lock and has an elegant design with different kinds of wood. Now welcome to your beautiful home. You have a well-planned living space with a high ceiling. So this property is not furnished, but for this particular unit, this is being used as a model unit to give you an idea on the dimensions of the space with furniture. So all of this is not included. This is for illustration purposes only. Okay? But you see, it's very well designed in terms of how you can put an L-shaped sofa. Lots of natural light. And I like this aspect of having that natural wood right at the entrance foyer space. And then you have this easy to maintain tiling all throughout the living space extending to the dining area. In addition, you also have very sturdy PVC windows for the entire house. Okay. Now, from the living space, let's now take a look at your dining and kitchen area. So this can fit a table for 6 people. And then you have a modern kitchen design. You have indirect lighting over here, adding a touch of elegance to the space. And you also have a well-organized area. This is for your refrigerator. And I also like the very modern aesthetic. You have your island countertop here already with a sink space, and then a counter area here which can be a great breakfast nook. So you can have your stools on this side. And here you have a sliding door leading to the side of the house. So this gives you access towards the parking space. And then on the other side, you have a service area. Okay. And then you have your staff bathroom here. So this entire area can be repurposed to be your laundry space. And then you still have some construction materials in here because the house just finished construction. But we are going to take a look just so you have an idea on the size. So you can have a bed on one side and then additional storage on this side. Okay. And I like that they made sure to even have that door design even up to this space. And check out the design here. You can even incorporate like a wine chiller underneath the countertop space. Okay. So here's another view. So if you stand right there, you can see the size all the way here. And then you have your staircase leading up to the second level. Stairs are easy to climb. And the finish feels very well made. You once again have natural wood flooring here. And you also have an area here where you can have an additional chandelier or light fixture, depending on what you like. Okay. So here we're gonna take a look now at your primary bedroom or master bedroom. You can maximize this space as potentially a shoe cabinet area. And then I like having this large window here right beside your master bedroom hallway, and it leads out to your main master bedroom area. High ceiling, cove lighting, space enough for a king-sized bed. There's a mirror here right now, but this could potentially be a desk or a workstation space. And then you have an area here for your television set. I like how well spaced it is. And you also have a sliding door here leading out to your balcony area. Let's take a quick look. So this is a nice additional amenity space for your master bedroom. I also like that it has a faucet and drainage, especially if you want to have like potted plants out here. Let's head on in. And if you stand right there, you can appreciate the size of this room. And now let's take a look at your master walk-in closet and bathroom. This is quite a spacious area. You have indirect lighting. I also like the feel of the space. And you also can have a lot of toiletries here. You have your water closet and then your bath space. I'm gonna step in so you see the size. Floor to ceiling tiling also. And then lots of storage. Okay. And I like the attention to detail, like even just having this to make sure that your doorknob doesn't hit the wall. And here you have your second bedroom. This is fantastic if you have 2 or 3 children, or even if you just are a newlywed couple or just have 1 child, because you can use the other rooms as a home office space or as an entertainment area also. But this is excellent as a room for 1 child, or this is spacious enough to even have 2 small beds also. And this is a nice touch for this room. Check this out. It has a private pocket balcony space. Okay. This is just a nice amenity area, very private, and you can just have a table and a chair here as a nice outdoor reading nook, and it's completely covered also. And here you have the ensuite bathroom. So spacious tempered glass enclosure, high ceiling also. So all in all, so far, the house feels very well made, very well laid out. We're now gonna take a look at the third level. Let's go. And then you have the switches here, circuit breaker switches. And this is also excellent if you're coming from a very large property and you're looking for an easier to manage size. Or if you're coming from a condo and you want to upgrade to a spacious home. Okay? So let's begin by taking a look here at the third room. So this is identical to the second room that we took a look at downstairs because they're right on top of each other. The main difference for this particular room is that there's no more balcony space, but instead of that balcony, you have this nice corner window giving you an uninterrupted view and lots of natural light. And once again, an ensuite bathroom. I'm gonna step in so you see the shower size. Okay. Now this is a great area in terms of not just the accessibility but also in terms of the community because there are many nearby commercial spaces here in the area near Quezon City Hall. It's also very near Quezon City Circle, so you can get to the big malls like Ayala Vertis, SM North EDSA, or even towards Gateway Mall, or even towards Ortigas heading to Mega Mall from this space. Okay? And here we have your fourth room. So this has a different setup. This is currently set up as an entertainment space. That's why you have this seat right here. But of course, you can maximize this as a bedroom also. But right now, it's set up as an entertainment area. So with this setup of the furniture, you can feel the space even more than if you had a bed right in the middle. So if you only need 3 bedrooms, this is an excellent way to maximize this space as a family area. And here's another great feature of this property. Each of the 3 units has its own balcony space. Let's go. Okay, so this is a fantastic amenity space because it has even an area that's set up as like a small kitchenette. So you can have like barbecue set up here. And if you have get-togethers, there's even an outlet here. Very conveniently covered. But this entire area is also covered with an elegant wooden design. I like that they made sure to even have like that accent panel to give it extra character. Okay? And you see that you can have a large table here, 3, 4, 5 chairs in terms of the size. So great setup here to complement your entertainment space. And if you want to use this as your master bedroom will have this private balcony area also. Okay. And now let's take a look at its bathroom also. So this is what I was saying, that this room can also be a second option for a master bedroom because it has almost an identical setup as the master bedroom bathroom. The only difference is the master bedroom bathroom has a bigger counter area for the sink space. Okay. Okay. And that caps off our quick house tour. Want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us to Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.